Let's talk about something that's often whispered about but rarely discussed openly: anal sex. Whether you're curious about trying it, want to improve your experience, or just want to understand it better, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of anal sex, what you need to know to make it safe, enjoyable, and fulfilling for both partners. From preparation and communication to technique and aftercare, we'll cover everything every couple should know. So let's dive in, and remember, this is a judgment-free zone where education and empowerment come first. Section 1. Understanding the basics. First things first, what exactly are we talking about here? Anal sex involves stimulating or penetrating the anus for pleasure. While it's not for everyone, it's a normal and healthy part of intimacy for many couples. Understanding the basics of anatomy is key to ensuring safety and enjoyment. The anus has a lot of nerve endings, making it sensitive to touch. However, it's not self-lubricating like other parts of the body, which means proper preparation is essential. Section 2. Communication is key. Before you even think about diving in, communication is crucial. Talk openly with your partner about your feelings, boundaries, and expectations. Here are some tips to guide the conversation. 1. Be honest. Share your interest or curiosity without pressure. 2. Discuss comfort levels. What are your boundaries, and what would make you feel safe? 3. Use positive language. Frame it as an opportunity to explore and connect, not a demand. 4. Consent is non-negotiable. Both partners must feel fully comfortable and enthusiastic about trying it. Remember, a good conversation can set the stage for a positive experience. Section 3. Preparation is everything. Preparation is one of the most important steps. Here's what you need to do to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. 1. Hygiene first. Cleanliness is key. A warm shower or bath can help both partners feel comfortable and relaxed. Some people also choose to use enemas, but this is optional and personal. 2. Invest in the right lubricant. Since the anus doesn't produce natural lubrication, you'll need a high-quality, long-lasting lubricant. Silicone-based lubricants are highly recommended, as they're slicker and last longer. 3. Start small. Begin with smaller toys or fingers before considering penetration. This helps your body adjust and minimizes discomfort. 4. Set the mood. Relaxation is key. Create a comfortable, low-pressure environment with dim lighting, soothing music, and plenty of time. Section 4. Techniques for comfort and pleasure. Once you're ready, how you approach it makes all the difference. Here are some essential techniques to keep in mind. 1. Go slow. Take your time. Start with external stimulation and let your partner guide the pace. 2. Use plenty of lubricant. Reapply as needed. Don't skimp on lube, it's your best friend here. 3. Focus on relaxation. Deep breathing and massaging the area can help release tension. If at any point there's pain, stop immediately. 4. Experiment with angles and positions. Some positions might feel more comfortable than others. Start with positions that allow your partner to control the depth and angle. 5. Listen and adjust. Check in regularly with your partner. Communication during the experience ensures comfort and trust. Section 5. Safety first. Safety is non-negotiable when it comes to anal sex. Here's what you need to know to protect both you and your partner. Use protection. Condoms reduce the risk of STIs, which can be transmitted during anal sex. Never skip lube. Avoid friction or tearing by using plenty of lubrication. Avoid cross-contamination. Never go directly from anal to vaginal or oral sex without cleaning thoroughly. This prevents the spread of bacteria. Know when to stop. If something feels uncomfortable or painful, don't push through it. Pain is your body's way of saying something's not right. Section 6. The role of aftercare. Aftercare is just as important as preparation and technique. It's about reconnecting, showing appreciation, and addressing any discomfort or questions that might arise. Some aftercare ideas include cuddling, sharing affirmations, or even a warm bath together. Make sure to clean up properly and hydrate. If either partner feels any discomfort, don't hesitate to address it openly and calmly. Section 7. Addressing myths and misconceptions. Let's clear up some common myths about anal sex. Myth: it's unnatural. Truth: anal sex has been a part of human intimacy for centuries. It's a personal choice, not a taboo. Myth: it's always painful. Truth: with the right preparation and communication, it can be comfortable and even pleasurable. Myth: it's unhealthy. Truth: when practiced safely, anal sex poses no more risk than other forms of intimacy. Section 8. Who is this for? Anal sex isn't for everyone, and that's okay. What matters most is finding what works for you and your partner. It's about trust, exploration, and mutual satisfaction. If you're curious, take it slow, stay informed, and prioritize each other's comfort and consent. Conclusion. Wrapping it up. Anal sex can be a beautiful and rewarding experience when approached with care, communication, and knowledge. It's all about creating a safe and trusting environment where both partners feel respected and fulfilled. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more open and educational conversations about intimacy and relationships. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.